In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Cloudways account. If you're wrapping up a project, moving to a different hosting provider, or simply cleaning up unused cloud resources, it's important to cancel things the right way. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that logging out, removing website files on their computer, or even deleting a payment method will stop charges. It won't. As long as active servers are still running on the account, billing can continue. So in this walkthrough, we're going to safely back up your data, remove your active servers, cancel the account itself, and then do one final billing check for peace of mind. The first thing you should do is protect your data before deleting anything. Once a cloud server is removed, that server is permanently wiped and there is no undo option. Start by going into the applications area of your Cloudways dashboard and opening each website or app you want to preserve. In database management, use the export option to download a copy of your database as an SQL file to your computer. Next, download your site files. Using an SFTP client such as FileZilla or CyberDuck, connect with your application SFTP details over port 22 and copy the full public HTML folder to your local device. Make sure these backups are stored somewhere safe before moving on. After your backups are complete, you can start deleting the active servers. Go to the servers section in Cloudways and find the server you want to shut down. This could be a DigitalOcean, Vultr, AWS, or another cloud instance linked to your account. On the far right of that server's row, click the Options menu or the delete icon. A warning prompt will appear because this action is irreversible. Type delete in capital letters to confirm and then complete the deletion. Repeat this for every active server until the server list is empty. This is the step that stops ongoing usage-based billing. Once there are no active servers left, go to your profile menu in the top right corner and open the account section. In the left sidebar, scroll until you find Cancel Account and open it. Cloudways will usually ask for a reason for cancellation, so choose the option that best fits your situation and add a short note if needed. Then click Cancel My Account to submit the final request. Before you close the browser, do one last check. Look for a cancellation